Hello, Mr. Khan. I have a question for you today. If someone is an overstayer in the UK and has a relationship with a settled person in the UK, what options are available for them to settle here?
The good thing is that we recently have dealt few cases, very similar cases, because those applicants, they've been in the UK last 4 years, 5 years and 7 years respectively. They've been overstayed some reasons, but they had relationship with the settled person. Settled mean a British person or indefinite leave to remain. So we managed to fix that matter. It was vary to vary. It's very case to case. Requirements are, first of all, we need to see what are the requirement. Number one, that the sponsor must have income least 29,000 per annum. It could be a saving ratio, it could be a self-employed, it could be employed, so the rules will apply accordingly. Number two is English test, level A1. This is mandatory. And number three, that their marriage certificate. And number four, their relationship are genuine and subsisting. And the next is that the applicant must have valid leave to remain in the UK. This is where the problem is. Okay, if someone doesn't have, if someone fulfill all the requirement but does not fulfill any of the mandatory requirement, then obviously it won't happen. So unless there are kind of exceptional circumstances. Exceptional circumstances could be a disability, a full disability, or some other problem. If the person can't go back, there's some reason, but it is purely on discretion of Secretary of State. Application can be submitted within the UK if the discretion can be exercised. Otherwise, the applicant has to leave the country and go back to the country where he's from. For example, the applicant is from Pakistan, because we dealt 3 cases recently: Pakistan, Nepal and India. So all of them been granted here, because normal rule is if someone is leaving because another question is there, if someone is overstayed, so if you go back and would be able to apply straight away, the answer is yes, it is possible, because in normal standard way, if someone been deported from the country on the government expenses, then 10 years ban. If someone is deported on the expenses of the applicant, then 5 years ban. If someone is leaving the country volunteer basis, then ban is 1 year. But if someone is coming in UK on the basis of a settled spouse, then the ban can be exempted. So no ban, so application can be submitted very next day. So we have dealt the same way. So if requirements been fulfilled, as I mentioned before, and applicant leave the country, leave the UK, go to the country where he's from and apply from there, and then explain all the situation, and then there's a good chance that the applicant will be granted leave to enter in the UK as a spouse of settled person. So if your case is more complicated, please contact with Addison and Khan Solicitors for more assessment. Then you go to our website and just call and book an appointment with us, that we can assess your case and we will advise you accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Khan.